For this nail art look, we'll be using 3 OPI gel color shades: The Future Is You, Pixel Dust, and Alpine Snow. After a proper dry prep, we're going to apply our Stay Classic base coat in a 3-stroke method. Always cap the free edge and cure for 30 seconds in the OPI Starlight. Using the bottle brush from The Future Is You, we'll polish about 1/3 of the nail, cap the free edge, and then flip the brush to fade it up towards the cuticle. Cure this for 30 seconds in the OPI Starlight and then repeat for opacity. After curing for 30 seconds in the OPI Starlight, we're going to repeat that process again using Pixel Dust. Once our ombre has been fully cured, we can use Alpine Snow and a detail brush to create our flame outline. Fully cure the flame for 30 seconds and then apply Stay Shiny top coat. Make sure the entire nail is covered from sidewall to sidewall and cap the free edge. After one final cure for 30 seconds, we can use NAS 99 and a lint-free wipe to remove the inhibition layer. Recreate this flame look and share with us on Instagram by tagging @OPI Professionals. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more awesome summer nail art.